Want to replace the solenoid valve of your coffee machine? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A screwdriver, pliers, and a new solenoid valve. Step 1. Remove the casing. Start by unscrewing the screws at the back and remove the back panel. Then take the water reservoir out of the machine. Next, slide off the sides of the casing. Now unscrew the screws on the top and front of the casing. When removing the top, be careful to gently disconnect the earth wire. Step 2. Remove the old solenoid valve. First, disconnect all electrical cables. Then use pliers to release the clips and disconnect all attached hoses. Unscrew the screw and remove the solenoid valve. Step 3. Install the new solenoid valve. Place the new solenoid valve where the old one was and screw it back in. Reconnect all hoses and put the clips back in place. Reconnect all electrical cables. Step 4. Put the casing back. First, reconnect the earth wire and put the top of the casing back on. Tighten the screws firmly. Then click both sides back into place. Finally, put the back panel back on and screw those screws in tightly as well. You've replaced the solenoid valve and the coffee machine is ready to use again.